Adobe Experience Manager Sites provides an optimized boilerplate template that lets developers quickly deliver fast-loading web pages with green Core Web Vitals and perfect Google Lighthouse scores. Get started by navigating to our boilerplate template, which you can find on GitHub. You can see that the boilerplate template includes commonly used website elements such as fonts, styles, scripts, and blocks for advanced styling and logic. To set up your project, create a new repository based on the boilerplate template in your own GitHub account. Then click Use this template and select Create New Repository. Enter your repository name. We recommend setting the repository to public. This makes it easier to collaborate and allows Adobe experts to provide recommendations for performance and SEO. Then click Create Repository. Next, you need to establish the connection between your GitHub project and Experience Manager Sites Edge Delivery Services by installing the CodeSync GitHub app. Once you're there, click Configure. Pick your repository. Choose Only Select Repositories and select our repository. To finish, click Install. Your website is now up and running and ready for customization. The URL structure follows a simple pattern of branch name, repository name, and GitHub owner. To easily preview your page, simply use .page in the URL. To see the published live page, use .live in the URL. As you can see, the page is already optimized for high site performance, achieving green Core Web Vitals and a Google Lighthouse score of 100.